Wildland firefighting is an interesting career choice that is very limited product design targeted toward the industry. Careers use many different tools and systems within this field. Here I explore possible solutions to existing issues with wildfire suppression. Suppression and prevention in wildfires require many different organizations, from firefighting, Forest Service, to aviation. Tasks for firefighters can range from cutting and trimming of trees, to tracking fire location, or putting out small embers of areas where the fire went through. Our research team was able to talk to many of these professionals, wildland firefighters, district foresters, and homeowners to see what elements could be fixed in the process of dealing with wildfires. Ideation began with compiling all the information and seeing what key points were brought up in each interview. Finding similarities were a key component in thinking of possible concepts for products to eventually design. After many group activities, each member was able to come up with 3 main solutions. The first concept I found most promising was the repeater drone. Communication was the most brought up topic when discussing issues with interviewees. Walkie-talkies are the main tool used to contact command or other crews, and getting a clear transmission in the forest is also unlikely. Repeaters are used to strengthen the length of a walkie-talkie. With the ability to carry a signal to a line-of-sight length, it is possible to talk to personnel on the other side of a hill. Repeaters often take a long time to set up, both finding a location and putting up the device. But aviation is a large part of wildfire suppression, so to incorporate the two would be ideal. This concept would be to include a small drone that carries a repeater, so it's easy to set up and has mobility. The next concept was geared more towards homeowners. When talking to citizens that have experienced the evacuation process of a wildfire near their home, it seems there's not much they can do to protect their home. The only tactic of defense is from firefighters. There have been concepts to protect their home, like a sprinkler system or a fireproof draping that will keep their home from catching a flame, but there's no actual product that has been developed that is actually reliable. My concept is a system that attaches to your home and shoots CAF foam in the directions of your walls to protect the home from getting severely burned. My final concept delves more into the comfort of a firefighter. Firefighters hike and camp in a forest setting and have many different tools to carry, so it is difficult for them to access things like well-cooked food and average hygienic equipment. Most firefighters find trekking with extra items to be very irritating. The most disliked was the use of a QB, which is a 5-gallon cardboard container with a plastic bag or bladder to carry drinking water. These boxes are simple in shape and the handles are easily breakable. Most wildland firefighters place the handle around their tool or tape the box to their tool entirely, being a shovel or axe. The concept developed was to create a simple form change in the box and add the ability to put your tool in the form to gain extra leverage when carrying the tool. The materials were kept the same to keep the cost relatively low. More will come soon to delve further into these concepts. Thanks for watching.